Punjab government advances summer vacations from tomorrow amid intense heat wave. Karnataka's second PUC revaluation result 2024 declared. Chandigarh University students bag internships at Walt Disney. Schools closed in multiple states due to intense heatwave checklist. Maharashtra Board HSC Class 12 result 2024 to be out tomorrow at 1 p.m. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Punjab government on Monday advanced summer vacations for schools amid intense heatwave prevailing in the region and mercury nearing 45 degrees Celsius. The government has announced summer vacations for all government, private, aided and other schools in the state from tomorrow, 21st May. Schools in the state will remain closed till 30th June. This decision advanced the Punjab school summer vacations is to ensure the health and well-being of students during the peak of the summer season. On Sunday, the Punjab government issued an advisory recommending that schools operate from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. However, due to the extreme temperatures, the government later revised its decision and announced that schools would remain closed starting Tuesday. The Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board (CEB) announced the PUC results 2024 today at 10 a.m. PUC results are available on the official website carousels.nic.in. A total of 681,079 students appeared for Karnataka Board PUC to EXAMS, of which 55,690 have passed, taking the overall pass percentage to 81.15%. The Karnataka Board conducted the Class 12 exams from 1st March to 22nd March in pen paper mode. The PUC exam was conducted in a single shift from 10:15 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. More than 6 lakh students appear for the PUC exams at over 1,000 exam centers across the state. The university, in a press release, said that this partnership between Chandigarh University and Walt Disney will not only provide students with the opportunity to work with global professionals in the entertainment industry but also offer them a platform to showcase their skills and work on an international stage. The selected Chandigarh University students will have the chance to work with some of the industry's most talented professionals, contributing to projects that reach audiences worldwide, the press note added. This global collaboration will inspire more students to aspire to higher standards in the future, Chandigarh University said. In addition to applauding the students' achievements through hard work and dedication, the Punjab government has postponed the summer vacations for school students due to the ongoing heat wave. The summer break will now start from 21st May and last until 3rd June 2024. The Haryana Directorate of School Education has declared summer vacations in all government and private schools from 1st June to 30th June 2024. The notice was issued on 17th May, directing district and block education officers to ensure compliance. The Haryana school timings have also been changed from 18th May to 31st May 2024. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued orange alerts for severe heat waves in southern parts of the state. According to the Delhi School Academic Calendar, summer vacation. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education (MSPSHSE) has announced the release date and time for the Class 12 board results. This year, the results will be unveiled on 21st May following a press conference at 11 a.m. Students will be able to access their results on the official website starting from 1 p.m. The Secondary School Certificate (SSC) Class 10 exams were conducted from 1st March to 26th March, while the Higher Secondary Certificate (HSC) Class 12 exams took place from 21st February to 19th March. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.